Hi, this is Samuel Reviews, and today we are reviewing the Anker Nano power bank. 10,000 milliamp, 30 watt. It's got a built-in Type-C into the actual power bank. Right, let's get into this and have a look. Rightio, so we've got a couple of instruction books, and then this is the actual power bank. There's nothing else left in there. So yeah, this is the cable. This is the Type-C cable, which sort of doubles up as a hand strap, which I'm not too, I'm not too thingy on that. So it's got the Type-C output already built in, but you can also use the USB-A port out as well. And then obviously this is in and out Type-C, so you could plug another Type-C cable in and charge, say, 3 devices at once if you wanted to. Okay, so it's got a little screen on the front. Don't know, yep, there you go. So we've got 21% in it, which is not too bad, I suppose. Yeah, so 10,000 milliamps. We're going to see whether it's going to do what they say it's going to do. Apparently, it will charge an iPhone 15 Pro 50% in 30 minutes. Now, 21%, that should be enough to do 50. Yeah, it will be. So, oh look, you can have that right up like that. So yeah, that is. So that won't come out. No, it doesn't come out of there. Nice colour. They also do it in black as well. Button on the top, that tells you what you've got. So it's a tiny little screen. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Although it's built in, I like the way they've done that. Okay, right. So we've given this a little charge. So we can do the 30-minute test. So basically what Anker are saying is it will charge an iPhone 15 or a 15 Pro or a 15 Pro Max. In half an hour it will charge 50%. So we're going to test it. I've charged this up a bit because it was only on, I think it was 21%. My phone is on 34% there. Yeah, 34%. So we're now going to do a test. So yeah, here we go. Cable out, timer on. Rightio. Okay, so we're charging and timer on. Let's do this. So basically, one of the main things about this charging bank is with this cable that's built in, you can recharge the charging bank from that as well. So you can plug that straight into a plug or whatever you was going to want to charge it off. And yeah, it can charge both ways. So it can charge a phone from it and charge back into it from that. So basically you only need to carry this and you don't need any other cable if obviously you've got a 15 or say a Samsung or any of the Androids. Basically 9 times out of 10 these days they're taking Type-C. So yeah, I am so far I'm impressed. It does feel like very good quality. Anker seems to be very good quality anyway, so I like this bit here. So it's got a bit of grip there. Yep, so I'm going to leave that, let that get on with it. Timer's there, and obviously, yeah, rightio. Let's see in a minute. And done. Okay, what you saying? What are you thinking? Let's see what power we got left. 26%. What we got on the phone? 78. That's not bad. That's not bad. It's not what it said, but that's 44%. Yeah, no, yeah, 44%. That ain't half bad, is it? When you think about that, 44%. So that is pretty much nearly 50%. I think that is very, very good. In that amount of time, half an hour, Bosch, 44%. I'm extremely happy with that. It would have been brilliant if it did 50%. Maybe it does. Maybe it'd do 50%. I mean, I would imagine it would do if you put it on airplane mode, but the whole point of having one of these, I think, is so you keep your phone on. And yeah, but yeah, super duper impressive that. If you are interested in getting one, the link is below to Amazon, and also if you use the link below, you can get 20% off at the moment until the 30th of September 2023. So yeah, it is the 25th today, so you've got 5 days if you wanted to. Click the link below and you can collect the 20% off, and then it's only $39.99 instead of $49.99. So happy days. Yeah, I am super impressed with it. Basically, I'm going to Disney next month, and I wanted something. I did have a couple of what they called MagSafe ones, but I don't know, they're not as good. And the original Apple MagSafe one is nowhere near good enough. Basically, you're looking at, I think it's 2,800 milliamp, and what's that going to get you? Well, this is 10,000 milliamp. So yeah, you're pretty much going to get 2 charges out of this on most phones. So yeah, and it's not too heavy either. So yeah, happy days. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and if you are interested, they do it in black as well, but the black one's not being released until next month. I'm assuming, I don't know why, but yeah. But this one you can get if you've got Amazon Prime, you can get it for next day. Yeah, links below. Thank you very much for watching. Smash the video with a thumbs up, that'd be great, and I will see you all very soon with some more. Goodbye.